Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can add a presenter notes in Canva. If you are using Canva to create and present your document, then it's very important to have notes because you don't want to accidentally forget about some details during the presentation. And notes is also very useful to stay organized or keep your presentation on track. So if you want to add a note on your Canva slide, you can click on the note section right here and it will open a text area on the left side of the screen where you can insert some notes. For example, this is the first slide, so I guess I'm going to say something like introduction, and you can move on to the next slide. For example, I'm going to go to the second slide and the note will be empty. So every note is exclusive to every slide. Maybe this is something where I'm explaining about how to play the game, and maybe the third slide is be prepared, something like that. And when you are done and you want to present a document while still able to see the notes, here's how you can do it. First, go to the present section and enable presenter view. So this is the mode that you want to use. And after that, click present. Canva will give you another window like this. Just click on it. This is the presenter window that allows you to see the notes of the presentation. As you can see here, you can control the presentation. You can see that it will display the notes as well. And of course, this is not something that your audience should see. So if you have connected your computer or your laptop to the projector display, this is usually will only display it on your computer, and your audience will only see this presentation. So this is again presenter window is only for you, not for your audience. Anyway, that's basically it. That's how you can create notes and also use notes during a presentation in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more tutorials like this.